Oh, really, Eric? I didn't even see that. Prizm baseball. I like this stuff last year. I like this year's a little bit better, but stuff's still nice. Here we go. Prizm baseball number 14. Good luck. Maybe find a finite in here. You know, Trout's got some autos in here. I think this was one of the last products Trout signed for Panini. Will Myers refractor. Oh, and this is the lovely powder product. You can always count on Steph having a couple teams. The Darno rookie purple. Look at that. Good. God. It's bad. 31 of 99. Going to the Mets. Stephanie EDG. Halfway through this break, you can't even open packs anymore. There's so much stinking powder on your hands. McCutcheon, Diamond Dominance. Never remember that. Cabrera, refractor. Chris Davis, fearless. You ain't got a Mitch Moreland. Nice on-card auto. Going to the Rangers, Stephanie EDG. Dude has been on fire lately. That's a nice hit. There you go, Steph. Syndergaard, next era. Jay Bruce, purple, fearless. Numbered 73 of 99. Going to the Reds, Mark, M-O-R. And got an Archie Bradley auto for the Diamondbacks, Eric, P-I-N. Decent hit. Hernandez chasing the Hall. Davidson, rookie Rain. Davis, Diamond Dominance. Kimbrel, Intuition, Purple. 33 of 99, going to the Braves. Stephanie, EDG. Another one for Steph. Scherzer, USA. Last pack. We got a Cato Next Era Prizm. And a few base. That will do it for Prizm 14.
Guys that can command a variety of pitches all around the strike zone, I think maybe the shift is not as important for them, regardless of what the hitter does. A.J. Ellis doubled and walked, 1 for 2. You mentioned Maddox. Our producer Bill Cochran.
Are we pushing that elite already? Guys are wasting no time. Prime Sigs is full. Look at you guys go.
Anything overpowering. He just had great command and a great feel for what he was doing out on the mound. And he did it all during the steroid era and was dominant during the steroid era. And you say the same thing for Pedro Martinez. Steve Carlton, best lefty I ever faced, and Tom Seaver, who called it Tom terrific for a reason.
Alright, let me start another fresh video. Prime Sigs coming up next. I'll be right back, guys.
Because if once is good, twice is better.
Go ahead and sign for your card whenever you're ready.
I don't have one.
Are you gonna pay cash?
Actually, I just want to take it and then pay for it a little bit as I go.
Are you kidding?
A little bit here, a little bit there. What do you think? I don't really want to buy it right now. Hey, how's it going? And so I thought maybe just like 25 bucks a week.
We can't do that.
Oh.
At Rent-A-Center you can. Take it now and pay as you go without credit. Get our lowest prices of the year on a 60-inch smart LED TV for just $24.99 a week at Rent-A-Center.
You're finally here. Long way from the Sandlot. First game in the majors. You don't know art because this family is enjoying a cross-country baseball stadium trip they planned online at AARP Travel. It's where your journey